Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about 7 side hustles that are perfect for busy moms. Being a mom is a 24/7 job, right? Sometimes it feels like there are not enough hours in the day to get everything done, and forget about finding time to make extra income. These ideas fit right into your daily routine and can even be scaled into a full-fledged business. If you're looking for ways to earn extra income without adding extra stress, stay tuned. Let's dive right in with our first side hustle idea, tutoring or homework help. Think about the subjects you excelled in at school or the skills you've mastered as a mom. Maybe you're a whiz at math, a grammar guru, or a master chef in the kitchen. Why not share that knowledge with other students who might be struggling? You can start by offering your services to families in your neighborhood or even online. Platforms like Zoom or Skype make it easier than ever to connect with students from all over. And the best part is you can set your own hours and rates. Think about creating printable worksheets, interactive quizzes, or even short video lessons. You can package these materials and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers. Utilize social media to your advantage by creating a dedicated Facebook page or Instagram account where you share tips, tricks, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Encourage happy parents to recommend your services to their network. Our next side hustle idea is perfect for those of you who love to cook or have a knack for creating delicious and healthy meals. Meal planning and preparation. Start by identifying your target audience. Are you targeting busy families, individuals with dietary restrictions, or maybe even seniors who need a little extra help in the kitchen? Virtual cooking classes are a fantastic way to share your passion for food and connect with your audience in real time. Platforms like Zoom or Google Meet make it easy to host interactive cooking classes from the comfort of your own kitchen. Create weekly or monthly meal plans, complete with grocery lists, recipes, and nutritional information. You can sell these digital products on your website, through platforms like Etsy, or even offer them as a subscription service. Post mouth-watering photos of your dishes, share meal prepping tips and tricks, and engage with your followers by asking for their favorite recipes and meal ideas. Let's be real for a second. Laundry, it never ends, does it? But what if I told you that you could turn this never-ending chore into a profitable side hustle? That's right, we're talking about laundry services. Everyone wears clothes and everyone needs to wash them. But not everyone has the time or energy to tackle Mount Washmore. Offer your services to busy families, elderly neighbors, or professionals. Partner with local businesses like dry cleaners or laundromats. Offer pickup, delivery, washing, drying, folding, and even ironing. Spread the word to friends, family, and your local community. Start small, provide excellent service, and expand as you gain clients. Become the go-to pet pal. Are you an animal lover? Do you have a soft spot for furry friends? Pet sitting or dog walking is perfect for you. Many pet owners struggle to find reliable care for their companions. Start with basic services like feeding, changing litter boxes, and giving love. Offer services such as overnight and weekend stays. Dog walking is great for exercise and extra income. Create a profile on platforms like Rover or Wag. Personal shopping or running errands. Become a time-saving superhero. Do you love to shop? Are you always the one your friends and family rely on to pick up groceries or run errands? If so, then this next side hustle idea might be the perfect fit for you. Personal shopping or running errands. In today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for ways to save time and reduce stress. As a personal shopper or errand runner, you can provide a valuable service to busy individuals and families who are short on time. Start by identifying your target audience. Offer services like grocery shopping, dry cleaning pickup and delivery, prescription pickups, gift shopping, or even dropping off a package at the post office. Consider creating a mobile app to provide your clients with a convenient way to book your services, track their orders, and make payments. As your business grows, you might consider hiring additional shoppers to expand your reach and availability. Consider creating a website or social media profiles to showcase your services, rates, and availability. Partner with local businesses such as dry cleaners or gift shops to offer your services to their customers. Gardening and lawn care, cultivating beauty and profits. Do you have a green thumb? Do you find joy in nurturing plants and creating beautiful outdoor spaces? If so, then this next side hustle idea is perfect for you. Gardening and lawn care. Many homeowners lack the time, skills, or physical ability to maintain their lawns and gardens themselves. Offer your services to homeowners in your neighborhood who are looking for help with tasks such as mowing, weeding, trimming, planting, and general yard cleanup. To expand your services and expertise, consider offering seasonal maintenance packages. For those of you who have a passion for design and an eye for aesthetics, offering garden design services can be a lucrative addition to your gardening and lawn care business. Help homeowners create their dream gardens by offering consultations, creating customized garden plans, and assisting with plant selection and placement. Leverage the power of social media by sharing before and after photos of your work, posting gardening tips, and engaging with potential clients. Babysitting and childcare, creating a nurturing environment. Our final side hustle idea is perfect for those of you who adore children and have a knack for creating a fun and nurturing environment, babysitting and childcare. As moms, we already have a head start in this area, right? We've got the experience, the patience, and the love to care for little ones. Start by offering your babysitting services to families in your neighborhood, friends, or even members of your church or community groups. If you're serious about turning your love for children into a full-time business, you might consider getting certified in CPR and first aid. To further enhance your credentials and expand your services, consider getting certified as a licensed family child care provider. Creating a safe, stimulating, and nurturing environment for the children in your care is essential. Designate specific areas for play, learning, and rest. Stock up on age-appropriate toys, books, and games to keep little minds engaged. Consider creating a Facebook page or a simple website where you can showcase your experience, certifications, and testimonials from satisfied parents. Start your side hustle journey today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these side hustle ideas helpful. These side hustle ideas are designed to fit into your already busy schedule, allowing you to earn extra income while doing something you enjoy. It's all about finding the perfect balance between motherhood and your personal aspirations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching the video. The side hustles that I featured today are things that you can start up with very minimal income. And you might not need the extra money right now, but it's really a good idea to have a side hustle and be able to set back a little bit of money just for emergencies. I am going to be working on another video for you to help you be able to figure out what's the best side hustle that fits your lifestyle and your personality. So stay tuned.